Let's make a smoothie. Step 1. Add fresh fruit and ice into a blender. I substituted the two for frozen fruit. Step 2. Add milk or ice cream. I prefer almond milk. Chop, chop, chop. You know you're doing it right when the blender starts sweating. Allow me to get that for you, blender. Much better. Yay, bubbles. This is mesmerizing. I could watch this all day. The perfect texture. So smooth. Nice and thick. Twirl, twirl, twirl. I want to stick a straw in right now. This smoothie looks so good. Definitely enjoying the views. Woo! It's like the teacups at Disney World. Spin, spin, spin. Whoa, watch out. The color is great. Yo. See you next time.